Look at your hands. Now look at the stars. The very same element that forms the building blocks of your DNA was forged in the dying hearts of ancient stars. It can be the softest lead in your pencil, or the hardest natural substance on Earth. It is the ultimate shapeshifter, and without a doubt, the undisputed king of the periodic table. This is the foundation of life itself. Meet carbon. Sitting confidently at atomic number 6, it is represented simply by the symbol C. Located right at the top of group 14 and period 2, carbon is a nonmetal with a unique superpower, the ability to endlessly bind with almost anything, including itself. Deep inside a carbon atom lies a perfectly balanced core of 6 protons and 6 neutrons, orbited by 6 electrons. But the magic happens in its outer shell. Carbon has exactly 4 valence electrons. This gives it 4 connection points, allowing it to form long, complex chains and intricate rings. It is the ultimate atomic Lego brick. We also find it in different forms, or isotopes, like stable carbon-12, or radioactive carbon-14, which scientists use as a molecular clock to date ancient fossils. Because of those 4 connection points, carbon's physical properties depend entirely on how its atoms are arranged. Arrange them in a flat, sliding grid, and you get graphite, soft, dark, and slippery. But squeeze them together under extreme heat and pressure, and they lock into a rigid 3D lattice, creating a diamond, transparent and unimaginably hard. Chemically, carbon is incredibly stable at room temperature, but when heated with oxygen, it readily bonds to form the invisible gas, carbon dioxide. Unlike most elements, carbon doesn't have a single discoverer. It has been known to humanity since our ancient ancestors first pulled charred wood from a dying campfire. Early civilizations used soot for ink and charcoal to smelt ores. But it wasn't until 1789 that the brilliant French chemist Antoine Lavoisier officially listed carbon as a fundamental chemical element, proving that both humble charcoal and precious diamonds were made of the exact same stuff. Carbon's real-world footprint is infinite. It is the backbone of organic chemistry, meaning every pharmaceutical drug, every plastic, and every living cell relies on it. In industry, mixing a tiny amount of carbon with iron gives us steel, the backbone of modern skylines and infrastructure. We burn carbon-rich fossil fuels to power global transportation. And in aerospace, carbon fiber provides incredibly lightweight strength for jets and high-performance vehicles. For biology, carbon is non-negotiable. Its environmental impact is the defining challenge of our era. Burning carbon-based fuels releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide. While CO2 is natural and essential for plants, excessive amounts trap heat in our atmosphere, driving global climate change. Additionally, incomplete burning creates carbon monoxide, a highly toxic and invisible gas that poses severe immediate health risks. Economically, carbon has drawn the map of modern geopolitics. Entire nations have built immense wealth on deep earth carbon reservoirs in the form of oil, natural gas, and coal. The global energy market, worth trillions of dollars, is fundamentally a carbon market. Today, the global economy is locked in a historic tug-of-war, highly dependent on carbon for energy. The future of carbon is about radical innovation. Enter graphene, a layer of carbon just 1 atom thick that is stronger than steel and conducts electricity better than copper. Alongside carbon nanotubes, these nanomaterials are poised to revolutionize everything from flexible electronics to quantum computing. Meanwhile, massive scientific efforts are pouring into carbon capture technology, machines designed to literally pull CO2 straight out of the sky. From the ink on ancient scrolls to the nanomaterials of tomorrow, carbon is the undisputed master of versatility. It is the fuel of our industrial past, the foundation of our biology, and the key to our technological future. Carbon doesn't just make up our world. In a very real sense, Carbon is our world. In our next video, we will discuss the element without it you cannot breathe. Nitrogen.